So the doorbell just rang, and I think that it is something exciting from the Lawn Fairy. Let's go take a look. Okay. Let's see. Aha! Fragile liquid. I like it. Okay, so the Lawn Fairy did in fact come, and I'm excited. These are the first new lawn products for the 2020 season, and I can't wait to open them up, see what came. Okay, I know what came, but can't wait to show you what we're going to be working with at least a little bit this year. So, we'll just open up this box. See, it says Fragile Liquid from A.M. Leonard. Great deal I got. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Hydratane ES Plus. Now, it's a great product from what I hear, although some people say it doesn't really do very much. Other people say it's fantastic. I've seen videos where pots are treated with it and they can survive for days without water compared to the untreated pots. So I figure it's worth a shot. Worst case, put something down on the lawn, it'll be okay. But it's a good experiment. I do want to try to irrigate this year. My plan is to put it down in June. We'll see when. Depends on how dry it gets. And then again in July. So this bottle should cover my land twice. I got about 7,000 square feet, and I am excited. This should be good. So stay tuned, but it's here. 2020 is here. Okay, so the second product that came today was, well, it's a bit heavier. It's a granule product, and let me show you. Also from A.M. Leonard. They had this deal where if you spent $100, you got free shipping, which for 40 pounds of granular is totally worth it. So, Humic DG. So this is a great little product from what I hear. Everybody says you can put down as much as you want. This should cover, well, we'll see how much it covers. Anyway, so Humic DG, humic acid. Last year I put down some of the Humic 12 from Next. It was good. It was fine. I didn't get to really apply multiple times because life got in the way. But this year we're going to take things seriously and follow the schedule, and life is going to be good. So, I'll do some of the Humic 12 still, and we'll do some of the granular. I got the granular on purpose because I've got a sweet spreader coming. I'm looking forward to getting that spreader. It should be here in a couple days. And I really appreciate you watching the video this long. If you could, throw me a follow, subscribe, throw me a like. Anything you can do for me, I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day.